Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make fried zucchini. Okay, so for this recipe I'm using one large zucchini and I already washed it. I'm going to cut off both ends and then slice it. I don't like it too thin or too thick, but just right in the middle. This is just the perfect size for me. To a bowl, I'm going to add 3 eggs. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I'm going to beat that and set it aside. I just want to go ahead and do this so when it's time to bread the zucchini, I have everything ready. Okay, now to a bag, I'm going to add half a cup of flour and I'm going to set that aside. To another bag, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. It's better if you get a block of cheese and grate it yourself. Shake that really well. Okay, now it's time to bread the zucchini. So what I like to do is put them in the flour first. So I just put a few pieces in there and then shake it. This is why I like using the bag, because I feel like it just coats everything evenly and you don't have to make a big mess. Now I'm going to take each one out and top off the excess flour and put it in the eggs. So I like to do dry, then wet, then dry. While you're doing this, you'll also want to go ahead and preheat your fryer and set it to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to coat each piece with the egg and then put it in the bag with the breadcrumbs and cheese mixture. This takes a little bit of time, but don't worry, it's worth it in the end. And if you have help, that's even better. Set them on an even layer on your plate and continue to do the rest until you're finished. Now if you want, you can make zucchini fries, but I don't think those are good. I think they're overrated. I made them and I didn't care for them. They were soft and the zucchini was soggy. It wasn't even nice and crispy like this. So I prefer it this way. We got a lot with this one zucchini. Now let's fry them up, and when you do this, make sure you put them in an even layer. I'm going to let this fry at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes, but I'm coming back to turn them halfway through. If you don't have a fryer, you need to invest in one. It makes life so much easier, and your food always comes out so good. They're not greasy at all, they're nice and crispy, they're light. I just love it. They're so light and crispy and flavorful from the breadcrumbs and the cheese. Oh my goodness, they're so good. If you haven't tried these, you have to try it. So don't knock it till you try it. Well, here they are. They're so beautiful. I wish I could share with you guys. Now you can dip this in whatever you want. It's up to you. Me personally, I don't like to dip it in anything. I like it just the way it is. But you can dip it in whatever you want. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.